Hey everyone, and this is Professor SQ, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of video response and feedback to your the big 5 factors reflection paper and assessment. I have to tell you, I was blown away by most of your responses, and that's part of the reason why it's taken me so long to um, get all of these graded. You can go into Gradebook, you can see your score, and I left some feedback for all of you. And I have to tell you, I was so pleasantly surprised and um, with the depth and the insight that you shared about your assessments. Some of you said that you not only had that person who knows you well do uh, respond to your assessment, but you also had them take the assessment, and then you had that conversation, and that's exciting. So, a couple of things. I hope, one, that you appreciated the assessment itself, and that it asks you to really think about um, your responses and who you are. I hope that the responses were insightful, whether they validated what you already knew or they gave you some new information. I hope the fact that you talked with another person and got their feedback also helped you, because all of this information that you're getting here is to help you on your journey to learn and get information, knowledge, wisdom, and understanding so that you can apply it to your life and you can become the person that you want to be. So, great job. Excited. Really enjoyed reading your responses. And I hope that you have a great weekend and look forward to talking to you again soon. Oh, by the way, don't forget that you also have that first extra credit discussion board if you choose to do it. I'm working on your second one over the weekend. So take good care of yourself, be safe, uh, make sure that you're social distancing, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.